Here's how to speed up a video on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into the photos and find a video you wanted to speed up. There are two different options you have to be able to speed this up. One way is if you just wanted to watch it quickly, and then another way is where you want to speed this up and actually save it as a sped up video. You can see on this video on my iPhone, I can tap on that little gear icon at the bottom right and get into the editing section, and I can scrub my finger back and forth and watch it quickly by doing so. So I'm going back and forth, but of course this isn't permanent and this doesn't actually save the video as sped up. Unfortunately, to be able to do that, we need a third-party app. So just head into the App Store, and on here, I would recommend searching for CapCut. It's a great video editing app. You can see 1.1 million reviews, 4.6 stars. Just download and install this. It's completely free. After you've done that, I'll show you how to do it. Let's open up CapCut. Make sure you're on Edit. Oh, let me get out of here. You're on Edit at the bottom left and tap New Video. Now we just need to find that video that you wanted to speed up. I'm going to choose this one of this little crawfish boil that we have, and then hit the Add button. So now you're in the video editor and you have that video. We can choose to speed up the entire video or just a section of the video if we wanted to. It's completely up to you. So to do that, I'm going to tap on the video. You'll be able to see that white square around it. Now we've selected the video for it. You can see on the very bottom is a bunch of different options. I can scroll over, tap on speed and normal. Now on here you can see 1x, aka the normal speed. I can speed up the whole video by just swiping over to 2x. And now if I hit the play button, you'll be able to see it's faster than normal. Now keep in mind, I can just hit the check mark and speed up the whole thing. Or if I wanted to, I can tap on curve. And essentially what this does is I can choose different ones on here. Essentially, it will slow down certain parts of the video and then speed up other parts of the video, aka giving you kind of a cool effect as you're moving your iPhone screen around. Where the video, it will kind of speed up a portion and then slow down a portion. You can always tap on that gear icon and choose exactly which portions of the video are fast and which portions of the video are really slow. And just like that, you have sped up and even slowed down part of your video. If you're ready to go, you can hit the export button at the top right, and it will just save it back to your iPhone.